How to use Ask AI for the first time. Ever wish you could ask the internet a question and get a straight up smart answer without the 20 tabs and rabbit holes? Today, I am showing you how to use Ask AI, a super cool tool that acts like a brainy bestie who actually does your research. It is a free AI powered search tool where you just type your question in plain English and it gives you fast, accurate answers with sources from forums, wikis, and even academic research. It's like if Google and ChatGPT had a focused fact checking baby. First, open your browser and go to iask.ai. You will see a big search box right in the center, like Google but smarter. Type in a question like what is the difference between AI and machine learning. Hit enter or click the ask button. Now, here is the magic. You will get a clear answer in seconds. Below that, it shows where the info came from, wiki, academic forums, etc. You can even filter by source type if you only want, say, expert or academic answers. Cool, right? And that's not all. Ask AI can also summarize long articles, fix your grammar, even create images from text. It's like having an AI assistant in your pocket for free. And that's it. You're officially ready to ask your first smart question on Ask AI. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.